It's Tie-Dye Tuesday.
This is a 100% cotton tank top. This is the racerback style tank top. This is also a Gildan. I normally work with Fruit of the Loom, but that's what I could get this time. It's a nice heavy shirt and it dyes really well. Like always, soaked in a... Wait, where did my focus go? Hello? Come on. There we go. Like always, soaked in soda. Hey, cooks. Oh my gosh. All the distractions today. Soaked in soda ash water solution for at least 20 minutes and spun out in the washing machine until it's damp. I'm going to find the center point by going down the middle of the shirt and then across the bust. And that's my center. And that's where I'm going to start my twist. Grip the material. Twist it in a clockwise rotation. You know the drill. Sometimes you need to use your fingers to finger fold it into place. And hey cooks, what's up? Now that we've got that done, let's go ahead and keep it together with some rubber bands. Anybody want a cat? Remember, when you're rubber banding, you don't want a well in the middle of your shirt. You want to make your spiral design as flat as possible. Sometimes you have to help it along a little bit, mash it into place, make sure it's flat. Spiral looks good. Let's keep rubber banding. It looks awesome. Let's go dye.
Gotta have my coffee. So today we're gonna do a different type of spiral pattern for a custom order, and I'm using 6 different colors, 3 for each side. These dyes are fiber reactive procion dyes. I get the powders and I mix the strength. These are mixed at the recommended strength from the manufacturer. So all of these are 2 teaspoons per 1 cup of water. We're going to use sweet pea, wisteria, peony, we call it piney, lilac, hydrangea, and hot pink. This is going to be like a graduated color scheme going from the pinks out through the darkest purples with light on one side and dark on the other. That way the darks will accent the peaks and the lights will accent the valleys, so you'll have a nice flow of colors. So let me get these set up the way I want them so I don't forget my order. Let's get busy. Last time we did pie pieces. This time we're going to start in the middle with a circle and a circle. We're going to do 3 circles on this side, turn it over, 3 circles on the other side. Okay? Make sure that your spiral is flat and that you don't have a well. Do your lightest colors on one side and your darker colors, your complementary colors, on the other side. And I'm just going to make a circle. And I'm going to my next color. That tag's gonna bother me. So I can see what I'm doing. Then I'm going to go outside this circle with my next color. The more you saturate, the more color you have. If you want to go easy on your color, you'll have a lot of white stripes in there as well. I'm shooting for a more saturate point. And then we'll do our last color on the outside. So on this side, we did sweet pea in the middle, wisteria. This one is wisteria, and the third ring is lilac. And we're going to turn it over, and we're going to do hot pink in the middle. Hydrangea in the second ring. And peony on the third ring, or peony. And there's our 3-circle. And because I used the darker colors on one side, I'm going to store it dark color down in my bag. So now we bag it. We ready? Let's wash this out. Ooh, that's a pretty burst. Pretty burst. Let's wash it. Yeah. Here it is. Your 3 circles. Create more of a, instead of a swirl, more of like a starburst kind of design. You can still see that swirl in there, but it's not as defined as if you do pie pieces. Very crisp lined pie pieces. And we also did alternating colors, front and back. So you can see the light pink in the front and the dark pink coming behind. Your peaks and your valleys. The same with your purples and your dark purples. Whereas when you do pie pieces with the same color on both sides, you get a very crisp spiral arm. Very crisp, front and back. So this is the front. So this is the side we did all the light colors on. And there's a subtle difference on the back. And there's the back. So here's the fun thing. This was a custom order for 12 shirts, varying in size, same type of tie-dye on each one, for a local store. And these were all spiraled the same, sometimes different placements of the start of the spiral, but the color was laid down the same. And you can see the subtle differences between each shirt, just in the amount of saturation. Did I do the spiral directly in the middle? Was the spiral a little bit offset? So when I placed my middle circle, outer circle, or middle, the center, middle, and outer circles, were they offset? So here's one. These were all dyed exactly the same way. Subtle differences, but the same. And that's the fun of the tie-dye, is subtle differences in the exact same design. That's what makes tie-dye such a work of art to me. So, we have learned a new pattern with new colors on Tie-Dye Tuesday. I hope you had fun. Thanks for hanging out. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. The world needs more color. Talk to you soon.